Do you have a car that's looking a little dull? Maybe it's got some of those hairline scratches on it from running through an automatic car wash. And have you seen these Maxl ads? Well, I have, and I'm frankly tired of dealing with a car that looks like it's got a whole bunch of hairline scratches on it. So I decided to try out this Maxl and check out the final product. Now look how great this looks after just one coat of that Maxl spray. My car is not silver, it is black, and look at this other angle. You can see the reflection perfectly. So this is another angle. Once again, it is a black car, not silver. Is this any good? Keep on watching to find out more. First of all, you get the car a little bit wet. It says to apply on a wet surface. Just get a little moist. I think the best thing to do would be to actually bring it to a car wash, one of the old school ones where you kind of, put it on. You give a couple of sprays on each panel, kind of sweeping it as you push it through there. And that's all I gotta do. Just a couple of sprays on every little panel. So to give it at least 60 seconds before trying to rinse it off again. And after you've gotten all the panels, all you really need to do then is just to spray it back down with regular water and make sure you get all those suds off. You'll see here, some suds are coming on the bottom there. This is the front of the car. Just wipe it off, get some suds. And then last, but definitely not least, the only thing you have to do is dry it off. It's really pretty easy, dries really nice and quick. And then it actually says to make sure that you put it in sunlight to cure it after the fact. And I gotta say, I am incredibly impressed by this cleaner. I normally do not review these kind of things, but I was tired of the car wash putting these little hairline fractures on the paint. And frankly, I'm super impressed. The only thing I would say is I tried one half the car and then I did the other half of the car later just because I didn't know how it would work. And I wanted to show you the difference between the two. So you do the whole car at once and make sure just to have enough stuff to dry it off with. But other than that, you really can't go wrong with this Maxl car wash liquid. I am pretty impressed. And that takes quite a bit. So if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. And I hope to see you again real soon.